my god, wait. Even my stomach is like, what the hell? Hello everybody from First with Drum, I'm Alejandro and you're watching Hot Drums. It's the show with hot groups and even hotter wings. And today I'm joined by my drum kit, the Pacific Drums 805 series with a Mapex snare drum and Sabian cymbals. Oh my god, this is going to be crazy because today we're going to find out if it's possible to play the drums while eating spicy wings. Oh Jesus Christ, and we've got the original sauce from the hot one, so we got the last dab, so oh my god, I'm really scared about that one. I'm Mexican, so I think this shouldn't be a challenge for me. We are used to eat spicy food like on a daily basis, I think, so let's find out. I don't know what's gonna happen, let's go. Okay, so let's start with the first wing. Let's go. Oh my god, here we go. Here we go. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Valentina sauce wasn't that hard. We're used to Valentina here in Mexico, so it wasn't that bad. Let's go with the Tabasco one, let's go. Oh jeez. Oh god. Here we go. Okay. It starts to burn. You know what? We need more sauce. Chale más, papa. We're not scared. Hold on. Woo. Okay, it starts to burn now. It starts to burn like in the tongue, you know. Oh yeah, I think we're doing good. I think we're doing good. I can talk that much now. We already used the paper for the boogers, you know. If you see a booger in my nose, please don't get scared. Please. Okay, off to the next wing, the buffalo extra picante sauce. Oh, this is going to be cool. The third wing on its way, let's go. Oh, Jesus. Not bad. This one tastes good. Taste is good. I don't feel it that strong, that powerful. This one was easy. Esto estuvo fácil, paps. This one was easy. Let's go. Not bad. That one was easy. It wasn't even that spicy, I think. So this one was quite easy. It was not as spicy as the Tabasco one, I think. But I'm really afraid of the next two, the habanero, lanita habanero, and the last dab, the hot ones. I'm kind of scared about that one. Let's go. Oh my god. I'm starting to have boogers, you know. But we can do this. Okay, next one. It's habanero, lanita sauce habanero. Oh my god, it's green, bro. I'm afraid of the greens. Well, let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. This is good. Oh my god. Let's go. Habanero. Oh, Jesus. Let's go. Dale al candelabro. Yes. Okay. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Habanero. My respect to you, bro. You're hot. You're freaking hot. Woo! Oh my god, guys, the moment of truth has come. The last dab, the hot ones, it's the next one. Oh my god. I'm not ready. But you know what? As in the show, we need to put a little extra. The last dab, here we go. It's the last dab, a little extra. Let's go. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, wait. Even my stomach is like, what the hell? Guys, like my stomach is like, I'm no joking, it feels weird. Ugh. I always thought about like if their reactions in the show were real. Oh my god. The last dab? Guys, it's freaking crazy. I love you. Thank you so much for watching Hot Drums. I really hope you enjoyed this new show. It was real fun. I suffered a little bit. I want to let this camera and this camera know that please subscribe if you like this video. If you like it, it would be amazing if you give it a thumbs up. That would be the best thing ever. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. That's the way to smash it. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's go. Let's go. No. Goodbye.